I hope my all friend all is well. So first you can deposit on this website. Click on the deposit button and select your currency you want to deposit. I am already deposit on my TRX wallet. You can see here. Click on TRX and click copy link, and minimum deposit is 50 TRX. So after deposit on this website, click on earn coin. Scroll your website and select your currency. I am select TRX and buy your package 1 day, 10 day and 20 day. So I am click on 10 day package. Click on max. You can see here my total interest 31 TRX, daily interest 3 TRX, bonus 7 TVS token. Click on subscription. Enter your password. Click on continue. Buying successful. My amount is cut, you can see here. Click on order. My order is pending. You can see here. Profit can be claimed every horse. You can click on withdrawal earning. Your earning collect on your main account. And click on withdrawal button. Click on TRX. 5 TRX minimum and fees 2%. Enter amount, enter your address and withdrawal. You can check your withdrawal history. You can see here